Hi there, hopefully you're just doing fine. Now, you are going to do test 4 part 2. Questions 11 to 20. Good luck. Question number 11. You, blank, a lot of things in, blank, free time. A. Do, are. B. Does, your. C. Do, my. D. Do, your. My cat licks, blank, tail every evening. But my dogs never lick, blank, tails. A. It's, there. B. It's. C. The, it's. D. None is correct. I like, blank, football, but my brother doesn't. A. Play. B. Played. C. Playing. D. Plays. She likes, blank, TV, but her husband doesn't. A. Watching. B. To watch. C. Watches. D. Watched. Her sister doesn't, blank, eating a hamburger. A. Like. B. Likes. C. Liking. D. Liked. Do you like, blank, in your free time? A. Read. B. Reads. C. To read. D. Reading. I like, blank, but I, blank, like swimming. A. Sailing, don't. B. Sail, doesn't. C. Sail, don't. D. Sail, do. Tom, blank, her, but she doesn't like, blank. A. Like, her. B. Likes, him. C. Likes, he. D. Like, him. Andrew buys a newspaper every day. Blank, reads, blank, at home. A. It, he. B. Him, it. C. He, it. D. His, it. 20. Mike eats cheeseburgers because blank likes blank. A. He, their. B. Him, they. C. He, them. D. Him, them. May your English is in progress. See you soon.